Do you want to learn how to build your games from scratch? On this channel, you won't just learn theory, you will actually build complete games step by step. Hi, I am Subit, a professional game developer and instructor. Welcome to the Subit Game Dev. Here, you will learn game development using Unity and C# by building the real projects like 2D games, 3D games, endless runner, beginner games, and many more. So, this is a project based course, which means you will learn by actually creating games instead of just watching tutorial. So, if you are ready to start your game development journey, subscribe to the channel and let's build the game together. Thank you.